I got these ceramic bowls on eBay, but one of them arrived broken. I'm wondering if the handle can be sanded down smoothly with an oscillator such as this. Let's find out. I haven't done this before, and I couldn't find anything on the internet that showed me that you can do this, so we're testing it out for the first time. Starting out with 120 grip. Well, I don't see any change, so I'm gonna step up to, what do we got here? A really low grit. Take some material off. Well, after spending several minutes with this multi-tool oscillator and different degrees of grit on this sandpaper, it did very minimal work. I spent several minutes, and although it did take the roughness, it wasn't shaping it in the way that I thought. So nothing happened to the bowl itself. Okay, ceramic bowl did not break. If you get a firm grip on it, you can pretty much manhandle it into that sandpaper, but I think it's going to take an oscillator or maybe a bandsaw. But after several minutes, it barely made a dent, probably because it's been baked, finished in a kiln. So just FYI, if this helped, please give it a like. Till the next video, see ya.